ProProfs Learning Management System Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of ProProfs Learning Management System. If you're considering this platform, I'll break down its key features, who it's designed for, and how it performs in real-world scenarios. Don't forget to check the description for links to ProProfs and related resources. ProProfs LMS is a versatile platform built for businesses, educators, and organizations seeking an easy-to-use yet powerful learning management solution. Its simplicity makes it ideal for small to medium-sized enterprises, schools, and training-focused teams. ProProfs is best known for its intuitive interface, quick setup, and robust set of features for creating, managing, and delivering online training. One standout feature is its comprehensive course creation tools. ProProfs allows you to build courses from scratch or use pre-built templates to save time. You can incorporate multimedia like videos, quizzes, and downloadable documents to enhance the learning experience. The drag-and-drop functionality and integration with tools like Google Docs and YouTube simplify content creation. For learners, ProProfs offers a clean, user-friendly interface accessible on both desktop and mobile devices. This ensures that training materials are always within reach. The platform supports self-paced learning, so learners can progress through content on their own schedule, which is particularly beneficial for busy professionals. From an administrative perspective, ProProfs shines with its tracking and reporting capabilities. You can monitor learner progress, course completion rates, and quiz scores, making it easy to evaluate performance and adjust training programs accordingly. The ability to assign roles and automate notifications adds further efficiency. ProProfs also supports integrations with popular tools like Salesforce, MailChimp, and Zoom, making it a seamless addition to existing workflows. Gamification features, such as badges and leaderboards, boost learner engagement and motivation. While ProProfs offers a wealth of functionality, its design may feel basic compared to more high-end LMS platforms. Additionally, its advanced customization options are somewhat limited, which could be a drawback for larger enterprises seeking extensive branding. Overall, ProProfs LMS is an excellent choice for those seeking a straightforward, budget-friendly platform that delivers results. Whether you're training employees, teaching students, or sharing knowledge with a global audience, ProProfs has the tools to make it happen. Check the links in the description to explore its full potential.